Today is a good day and I'm gonna show you why right now. Oh, the S2000 is finally back in my possession. You guys, I am so excited I can't even drive. It feels good to have the S2K back, guys. Look at this. I cannot wait to put the wheels on it and see how the fitment is, because I kind of went a little blind with it, but from doing a lot of research, it looks like it's gonna fit really nice. It's time to give you guys the rundown of the S2000. First off, she's absolutely planted to the ground. This is so crazy. I hope one day you get to see this car in person because this is just nuts. Some of the things done: new headlights, the Alpha Rex headlights for the S2000. These are newer that they did come out with recently. Thank you guys for sending this for the Suki build. I cannot thank you enough because these were the headlights I actually wanted for the car, and so to see them on it and for them to be a part of the Suki build, I am so thankful. So that was one of them. Next, the extension from the bumper to the side fender. There used to be a really big gap here, if you remember, and so it was completely extended to fit perfectly with the side fender and look OEM. Another thing was the massive gap from the front bumper to the hood. Absolutely drove me nuts. Was not made to fit this carbon hood, but that was fixed. It's sitting with the weather seal, which makes it look even more OEM. So another thing was the gaps on each side from the side fender to the door. They were way too big. So with getting the fender to door gaps fixed, we wanted to make sure that it wasn't too tight so that the wrap won't have any issue going on, but also there is still room for wiggling it and making it fit a little bit better, or making it fit a little differently for the rest. But it looks so good. It looks OEM. I know everything is different because piecing this kit together, everything is a different piece. So nothing was made to fit each other, and so with doing this bodywork, that's exactly what we did. The rear fenders, these are my only regret. Okay, I love them, don't get me wrong, but when getting everything for this car and piecing it together, I didn't think about the difference of how wide the front fenders are and how the rear over fenders are not even close to how wide they are. And so to me, looking at it from the rear, it does look a little off, but I'm hoping with putting the wheels on and then getting a diffuser, it will look better than I'm expecting. But if I were to eventually change anything out, it is going to be these over fenders. They look good. Everything was primed. Any little nicks that were on the car previously from the past owner has been also fixed. The trunk is primed. Driving here and being behind it with Mikkel trailering it, I was literally saying how this is a car that I've always expected to own. I've always talked about wanting to own a car like this, building a car like this, but I've never taken those steps. I've always just like bought a car, put wheels on it, got wrap, you know, lowered it. But doing this and like going to events and always looking at cars like this one and being like, one day I'm gonna do that. I'm going to build a car like this. But I never actually put it into initiative. I've never done it until the S2000. Oh. It could not have been a more perfect first full build car for me. With how much work, time, money has been spent and done on this car, I am so happy with her. I cannot wait to get the wrap on it. I can't wait to get the wheels on it. Eventually a diffuser. There's not many options for the rear bumpers, and that's what makes it really hard for wanting to put on this car. I don't know what to do. I didn't even think about getting body work to make the rear fenders shaped with the rear bumper. Give this video a like right now if you are so excited to see the wrap finally get put on this and the wheels go on. Finish to see the final look. God, just look at it. It's so mean. And just like that, I'm back at the shop, sitting here with the Mark IV. I am very, very excited to say that the wheels are going on the S2000 today. This has been a long day waiting. I am like mind blown that they're going on today. And next week, the wrap goes on. I'm pretty sure it's next week. End of the month, wrap's going on, which I'm pretty sure is next week. But it's coming together. And with that, the drop is going to be going live. Look at all the cool merch and the wheels. Y'all finally get to see what wheels I picked. But look at all the cool merch. This was supposed to drop back in March for Riverside, but since things slowed down and it took longer, I'm kind of happy it did because I'm very excited for the time frame where this is going to be getting launched on the website. Look how perfect these stickers are. You can literally stick them on your laptop, your camera, water bottle, car, literally so many different things. And it's been years, I literally mean years, since I've done a skate deck. I think the last time I did a skate deck was like 2016, maybe 17. I'm ready. Look at this. Come look at this. This is so nice to have now. Before, this didn't exist.
Nice!
I just want to say, no car will ever have colder AC than this S2000. I don't know what it is. The second you start the car, already cold. Blasting AC. I could still go up 3 levels in this bad boy. Stunning, she's beautiful, and she is getting a wheel upgrade today, and then next week the full livery goes on. We actually haven't seen the headlights on. Turn them on, I want to see it.
I want to read too.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is sick.
I'm in awe.
Oh, so the other one is with some folding on. I thought those were the high beams.
No.
Oh, those are bright.
Isn't that bright?
Look how bright
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
They look so good. These headlights absolutely surpassed my expectation with how good they look. And it makes the front end look even more aggressive. Like, the front end is aggressive, times it by 3, that's what these headlights give. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this in a past video, but I want to say it again. Thank you so much, Alpharex, for sending these headlights. These were something that I wanted to be a part of the build when they came out and I saw them, and they reached out to me even before I could make a step at getting these. And so I am very happy with these headlights being a part of the build, and for them sending them, thank you so much. As I'm waiting for Mason to do Mason things, I am gonna show you what I just pulled out of my Destined Rivals booster box. For those who don't like Pokemon, I'm sorry, I might be yapping your ear off, but for those who do, we can relate. I only opened half the box because I'm doing a series on TikTok, and so I'm basically opening packs every day until I pull the Mewtwo, the Team Rocket's Mewtwo, my kings. And I'm on, I think today was day 21, if I remember correctly what I just filmed. And tomorrow I'll do day 22 and open the second half of the booster box, but this half was kind of goated. And this being out of only one side of the box, crazy. And then I got some EXs, and then this IR. And I also did a video earlier because this company sent me a mystery Pokemon pack, and there was a mystery card already in this, as well as 3 packs, and I'm gonna show you what I got. This was my mystery card. I adore it. And then these were the 2 pulls I got. I got this from the 151. Just kidding, don't listen to me. This one was the 151. Isn't that crazy? And I can't remember what this one came out of. I know there was a Brilliant Stars and then there was another pack, but I don't remember the pack. Also, those who are interested in Pokemon, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on my TikTok, so make sure you go follow it. I'll have the link down below, but the name is It's Natalie Roush, if you wanna follow. But yeah, my hobbies other than cars are Pokemon cards and gaming, my 2 favorite things to do. Time to get these on. So the fronts are 18 by 9.5 and they are 0 offset. And then for the rears, I did a 18 by 10 with 15 offset. Now I really hope that these are gonna fit how I think they're gonna fit, but we're gonna find that out today. We're ready. I'm about to jack it off. I mean, jack it up.
Whoa! I like your technique for putting a jack on.
Thanks. Look how cool these are in the action. Yeah, those are cool.
Oh, go back up. Go back up.
I think it's this.
Yeah.
That's so annoying.
Which
Guys,
he was.
Just letting you know, this is something that should have been fixed. Wasn't, obviously. Let me tell you, bodywork experience, I'm happy to have her back. Wasn't the route I would have gone. If I could redo it all, I would. Experience, 2 out of 10. This was never fixed, and so this is something that I did forget about, and I'm gonna have to fix it. I'm literally not gonna be able to air it out until I get this fixed. Overall, I am extremely happy with how these wheels look and the fitment. Just a little bit of fixing and adjusting, and it will be literally chef's kiss. I am a little upset with the rear and forgetting about this and then getting it wrapped literally next week, but that's where hiccups come with building a car. Nothing's ever perfect. Nothing absolutely ever goes right, but I plan to get this fixed, and this will definitely still get wrapped first, and then down the road I'll just have to get this fixed, which is fine. I'm just glad the front is going to be an easy little fix to get this to sit just a little bit lower, because it's definitely what I want. But it does look really meaty. It looks so aggressive. Guys, this is crazy seeing it come together. On that note, thank you so much for hanging out with me and the update with the S2000. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below if you're excited to see the delivery go on this. But until next video, I will see you then.